Hello, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader coming to you. It is Tuesday, May the 7th, and we had another continuation of our glorious red streak today. But today felt like a win. 4 out of my 6 accounts are green. Granted, they're not green by much, but they're green. I did not take very many trades. I was not available to trade the morning session. Only traded this basically, I want to say maybe from like lunchtime on or early afternoon on. I spent most of my day honestly trading evals. I didn't do very well on this take profit eval. Did okay on this Apex eval. I did lose 2 of them, which is not something I've been wanting to kind of stick to 1 a day. And I got a little aggressive and then unfortunately lost 2 of them. But this one here, I actually had up to 2,000 in profit and then gave back at the end of the day in this chop session. But in any case, from a PA standpoint, I guess the good news is, yes, there's 4 green accounts, 2 red. Unfortunately, those 2 are both blown. And I don't know. I didn't take bad trades necessarily. I just got into some, I guess it was a bad trade because it was a loser, but it was just one of those days. The NQ was certainly choppy kind of all day long. The price action, well, from what I could see in the afternoon, the price action was just not, for me, it just wasn't that good. I didn't like it that much. Looking at a couple trades, I'm going to point out a couple trades. There's not that many, again, like I said. This is on account 39 and 40. I took a short here off this candle for a little winner there. That was the only trade I took on NQ on the funded accounts. On ES, I only took 1 trade, which unfortunately was a loser. This was on account 41.42. This was a $100 loser. Again, we had this big move down. I'm not sure. I think there might have been some earnings today, but that may or may not have been what this big move was. But I did have an error there. And I took a couple trades on oil. This was a winning trade. I think the only trade I took on 30 and 31 or 30 and 38, a short. So we had this candle reject, or this level reject, this 78.84 level reject, came back up, retested it, went short. That ended up being a nice win. I almost went short here, but I thought, yeah, I'm going to wait for confirmation, and that was the right thing to do. I could have got a little bit more there, but honestly, like I've been talking about, I just need to get some wins. That's all I care about. Is I just want to make some money and have some green on my charts on a consistent basis. So, but yeah, let's look at, I think I took a couple trades with oil on 41.42. Yes. This was where I think I lost the account. I took a short trade here for a small win. I went long off this. I was looking at it as a double bottom here, and I was looking long, completely wrong. That ended up being a loss. And then I did one of my major mistakes. This was a very, very rapid move down, and I chased because I had FOMO, and that ended up being another $110 loser. So 2 trades there, and I lost a couple $100, which pretty much did those accounts in. So again, it is what it is. And then I did look at this later on in the day. I almost longed this up here, and I thought, yeah, I better not. And then obviously this thing really tanked here at the end of the day. But yeah, that's really today. And obviously I think tomorrow we got 4 PAs, so we're going to just slowly continue to try to get 50 to $100 a day on those. I'm not looking for big trades. I just really want to get some winners. I really need to get some winners, and then continue to work on passing another few more evals. I really wanted to take a take profit eval to the finish line. This one here, I got in trading 2 contracts, 3 contracts today, and I was just too aggressive and ended up in a bad situation on that account, but that's okay. We got more days to trade on it. So let's take a quick look at TradeZella. I did update that again. This is this month, and the only positive here is we're kind of flagging in the right direction. 4 consecutive days of 4,400, 3,100, 2,000, and today was sub 600. So is positive, and obviously didn't take that many trades. Obviously I'm copy trading lots of 2. Probably will trade 2 and 2 for the rest of the week, I imagine, on the remaining 4. But yeah, that's kind of where that sits at. So I am happy this month with this average win. It is a little bit better, not a lot. I think it obviously would be a lot better if I was in a profitable trading situation, as I've not been. But I this number, I think the $100 win is better. Average win is better than it's been. Yeah, see 85 on the year to date, 85 and 156, and this month we're at 100, 146. So, a bit of an improvement, and that's something that I was wanting to work on, and obviously getting some green days. So anyway, that is today. There's not a whole lot more to add. Keep this pretty short and sweet. Once again, thank you for those of you using my codes. If you're new here, feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you to you guys that are regulars. I do appreciate you guys commenting, and it's interesting to hear the progress or the struggles that some of the rest of you guys have. So it's a way for us to kind of stay connected, and I get some value out of that as well. So thank you. But appreciate y'all. We'll try to have a good trading day tomorrow and have another update for you tomorrow afternoon. So long.